Well, a beautiful day, Audrey. Gorgeous weather.
Absolutely. It's, last weekend of spring break for some people out there, and it really has been nice, but that wind, man, it is something.
It was howling. It was moving very quickly, and that's the reason why we do have a chance at some gusty winds later on this evening, but most winds have relaxed, but also some smoke and haze being transported into our atmosphere. We'll time that out and show you what that is going to mean for air quality coming up in just a little bit. But first, outside on this beautiful Friday afternoon, it's clear and it is sunny. The air is dry. This morning's cold front brought in some gusty northerly winds up to 20 and 30 miles an hour. But again, wind speeds have relaxed quite a bit. You can see current wind speed right now from the northwest at 17 miles an hour. Sustained wind speeds, temperatures running in the 70s. And the cold front is far offshore. I mean, in the Gulf of Mexico, southeast of Texas. But in the meantime, 80 in Corpus Christi, 74 in San Antonio. So this was not a very strong cold front. It's just reinforcing some cooler air for today and for the weekend. And as high pressure builds in for tomorrow and Sunday, it's going to be gorgeous under mostly clear skies. Big story, though, the winds moving up to 20 and 30 miles an hour over in West and North Texas. Why this is important is because of ongoing fires in West Texas. And what that means for us is very low concentrations of smoke and dust and haze in our atmosphere. So you'll see by tonight, 9 o'clock this evening, and even through tomorrow, again, very low end concentrations of haze and smoke in our atmosphere. So if you do and are sensitive to this kind of thing, avoid any long durations outside for tomorrow. But most of the heavier concentration should remain out in San Angelo, West Texas, and north of San Antonio. Tonight's forecast, middle 70s through about 6 and 7. North winds very calm at about 5 to 10. Mostly clear skies, and the upper 60s by about 8 p.m. Your weekend starts off chilly, mid 40s by tomorrow morning. High temperatures 78 on Saturday and 80 on Sunday. Gorgeous weather, clear skies, and very, very low humidity. And back here at home, over the Lone Star State, it is quiet. The active weather is displaced farther east along that same frontal boundary and that same upper level system as it moves down I-16 through Georgia and the Carolinas. A squall line of very stormy weather moves eastward away from Texas. Now, in the meantime, upstream, notice the spinning area of low pressure. Very weak right now, but this area of low pressure is our next weather maker as it dives farther south Sunday night and Monday morning. It's going to close in on the Four Corners around 8 p.m. Sunday night as we round out the weekend, but closes in on San Antonio Monday morning and Monday afternoon. And when you're on the southeastern side of these areas of low pressure and the upper levels of the atmosphere, this can bring rain. And remember, spring starts on Sunday, and between about March and April and May, that's the time we see the potential for some severe weather. So Monday, the timing on it, Monday afternoon, Monday night, strongest storms will be in northeast Texas, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. And it looks like San Antonio will be on the tail end of things. However, scattered rain and a few isolated storms that could go strong, maybe severe, is certainly possible Monday evening, but heaviest rainfall northeast Texas on I-20. Here in San Antonio, we could pick up upwards of an inch of rainfall. Areas north of I-10, maybe up to 2. All right, 7-day forecast, beautiful weekend. Spring begins on Sunday, 80 on Sunday, 85 on Monday. We really get warm as this next system approaches, and a few storms certainly possible as we start off the second day of spring. But enjoy a beautiful weekend, Alana. It's going to be gorgeous, and spring begins on Sunday.
I think we're all ready for it.
Oh, yeah.
We sure are. All right.